Why are women more likely to file for divorce than men? It's an interesting question, and the answer sheds light on how relationships and societal roles have evolved over time. Today, we're breaking down the reasons behind this trend, the most common causes of divorce in 2024, and what these statistics mean for you. Did you know that around 43% of first marriages end in divorce? While that number might seem high, it's actually been declining in recent years. However, second and third marriages have higher failure rates, 60% and 73% respectively. Understanding the reasons behind divorce can help couples better navigate their relationships or prepare for what's ahead. So what are the most common reasons for divorce? First, communication issues are at the top of the list. In today's fast-paced, digital world, meaningful conversations are often replaced by text or social media interactions. This lack of connection can lead to misunderstandings and resentment, which ultimately push couples toward divorce. Second, infidelity remains a major factor. With the rise of dating apps and online platforms, it's easier than ever for people to engage in emotional or physical affairs. The breach of trust that comes with infidelity often makes reconciliation impossible. Third, financial problems continue to strain marriages. Disagreements over spending habits, financial priorities, and economic pressures like student debt or rising living costs can create persistent conflict. Next, there's the issue of intimacy. When emotional and physical connections fade, couples may feel disconnected and unfulfilled, leading them to consider divorce as a way to seek happiness elsewhere. And here in Texas, the most common legal ground for divorce is insupportability, also known as irreconcilable differences. This no-fault option allows couples to end their marriage without assigning blame, acknowledging that sometimes relationships simply can't be repaired. Now, let's talk about why women are more likely to file for divorce than men. Studies show that women initiate about 69% of divorces. Why is that? One reason is financial independence. Women today are less likely to stay in unhealthy relationships because they no longer rely on their spouses for financial stability. Another reason is self-advocacy. Women are becoming more aware of their rights and are more willing to prioritize their own well-being when a marriage isn't working. Women also tend to shoulder the emotional burden in relationships, often acting as the primary emotional support system for the family. When they feel unsupported or alone, they're more likely to take action. Lastly, dissatisfaction with marital roles plays a part. Many women manage careers, caregiving, and household responsibilities, and when they don't feel supported by their partners, it can lead to feelings of resentment and dissatisfaction. It's worth noting that while women file for divorce more often, this doesn't mean they're always the only party wanting to end the marriage. Practical reasons also come into play, such as securing custody arrangements or handling household matters. Understanding these trends can help couples navigate challenges in their marriages or prepare for what's ahead. Whether it's improving communication, addressing financial concerns, or managing emotional struggles, knowing the common causes of divorce can make a big difference. If you're considering divorce or need guidance, we're here to help. At Varghese Summersett, our experienced family law attorneys are committed to providing compassionate and effective support tailored to your unique situation. Call us today at 817-203-2220 to schedule a consultation. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. For more legal topics, make sure to like this video and click the subscribe button. Otherwise, you can find us at versestexas.com.